Hello students, first two questions of exercise 7.5 we have done. Today we have to start from question number 3. It is the last question of this exercise. And in this question we have to find the product using identities. ठीक है, simple multiplication not we have to do, whether it is not written here, but in exam this question is coming with this heading also, that without doing direct multiplication find the value. सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं करनी. लाइक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू कैन सी 1007 इंटू 993. so this is not there कि direct only multiplication we have to do. You are not in the third fourth class where multiply you have to do. Its value we have to find with the help of suitable identity. Clear? And that how we have to use. देखो like 1007 into 993 है, तो what we can write to 1007, 1000 plus 7. We have to write the numbers in such a way such then it multiplication becomes easy. ठीक है, and it comes in a proper form. 1007 है, we will write it 1000 plus 7. Similarly 993 है, maybe some students can think 900 plus 93 आएगा या 990 plus 3 आएगा, but from all this will be easy if we will write it 1000 minus 7. Clear? Because maximum number of zeros, 3 zeros are there, and you know zeros multiplication is very easy. And now it has came in its proper form also, like 1000 plus 7 and 1000 minus 7. If we will write it 900 plus 93, but no number is same, so then that is difficult to solve. ठीक है, कोई identity we will not be able to use. Clear? So we have to write it 1000 plus 7 and 1000 minus 7, and now we can see here which identity can be used, because both numbers are same. It is written in the binomial form, both numbers are same. One time there is plus sign and one time secondly there is a minus sign. So this is the form a plus b into a minus b. E form है ना. I have told you when we have done the identities introduction, then I have explained you that in this way you have to understand the identity. So here you have to see that identity will be used a plus b into a minus b. And what is the identity of a plus b minus b? A square minus b square. And what are the values of a and b for us? For this part, a and b are 1000 and 7 respectively. So on the place of a we will put 1000, on the place of b we will put 7. 1000 the square minus 7 square. 1000 square means 1000 into 1000. So that also we don't need to do. Directly we know 1000 into 1000 क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? 10 lakh. Clear? And 7 into 7 square is 7 into 7, 49 आ गया. So now just subtraction we have to do. Subtract कर दोगे and finally you will get your answer. ठीक है? And it is same as 1007 into 993. Just the difference is that we have not done direct multiplication, only हमने direct multiply नहीं किया, but answer will be same. We have found its multiplication in some different way using the algebraic identities. Clear? Same way one more part देखो 499 square. तो 499 देखते ही दिमाग में ना, it is very near to 500. It is only one less than 500. So we will write it 500 minus 1 the square. Whole square. And now what is this form? Which identity will be most suitable for it? That is a minus b whole square. यही form है ना. When binomial is there, one minus and minus sign is there in between them and their whole square. So this is a minus b whole square. And a minus b whole square identity, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And for this particular sum, a and b are 501. So put the values in the identity. 500 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 500 into 1. 500 square, 5 square 25. 100 का square 10,000 हो जाएगा. 2 zeros है ना, डबल हो जाएंगे. डबल there will be double number of zeros. 2 की जगह 4 zeros आ जाएंगी. Plus 1 square 1 only. 2 into 500 into 1. देखो we know कि with 1 we will multiply, then it will be same. So no need to do multiply with 1. Only 2 into 500, and 2 into 500 कितना आएगा बेटा? 500 the double, that is 1000. Multiply by 2 करना है, that means double करना है, तो 500 the double 1000 हो गया, minus 1000 आ गया. सॉल्व कर लेंगे. प्लस माइनस यू नो हाउ टू डू, प्लस माइनस वी विल डू एंड आंसर आ गया। क्लियर? वन मोर देखो, 723 स्क्वायर माइनस 23 स्क्वायर। तो इन दिस सम व्हाट इज देयर, वन नंबर स्क्वायर इज गिवन, देन माइनस साइन, देन अदर नंबर स्क्वायर, मतलब दो नंबर्स है, टू डिफरेंट नंबर्स आर देयर एंड देयर इज डिफरेंस ऑफ देयर स्क्वायर्स, सो then identity should come in our mind, which is a square minus b square, because two different number है a and b, their squares is given and difference also there, the difference is done, that is a square minus b square. And what is identity of a square minus b square? A plus b, a minus b. Generally we are using identity in this side, that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, but this sum in this time, in this sum we have to use identity in opposite side, but no problem, both are equal, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So what we have to do, once we have to add these both numbers and then we have to subtract these numbers. Like one time we will write a plus b, that मतलब कि 723 plus 23, and a minus b, that is 723 minus 23. 723 and 23 हो गया 746, 723 minus 23 हो गया 700, मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, with 700 we have to multiply, so two zeros will come directly and only we need to multiply by 7. 7 al multiply कर देंगे, with one digit we have to multiply, so that is very easy, very easily we can multiply with one digit. Clear? So in this way you have to complete this question number 3 and exercise will also be completed. Thank you.